It's Creeper Guy 30 here again, and today I'm going to take you on a little bike ride. My bike. Yeah, it's my bike. We're going to be going up the hill, it curves around. I'm going to bring you guys down the hill with me. Now, I don't know how to edit, so you're going to have to bear with me the trip. Okay, I'm sorry, you guys. Let's go. This is not a super big hill, but it's fun to ride down. I'm over here at my grandparents' house. I'll probably try to edit this part out, but wait, future Reese, remember to edit it out, or try your best. Alright, try your very best. That sun's bright. Let's just look at the neighborhood. This is for if I forget. I'm just gonna show you the neighborhood. There's my house back there. My grandparents' house back there. Yeah, here we go. Swings. Little, windmill thingy. American flag. The sun. Blue car. Mailbox. Water thing. Okay, I'm gonna try to ride a little bit more now. Come on, let's go. Here we go, shade. Now, ride. Show you guys stuff. Here's some more of the neighborhood, some other houses. Tarp. Yellow truck. Red truck. Silver truck. Black car. I don't even think I got the black car in the picture there, but you know how it is, don't you? Yeah, you know how it is. Let's beware of dog shine. Another water thing. Fire hydrant. Oh, nope. Another water pressure thing, whatever the frick it is. Man. American flag. Bird houses. That's one messed up looking tree. Looks like there's like spider webs in it. Another house. Another house. Shed. Orange equipment. And a big old thing of dirt. Let's go look at that. Not dirt, but crap. Whatever. Let's go down and look at that real quick. Yeah, let's go look. Red thing. Oh goodness, I forgot this didn't have no brakes at all. Yeah, equipment. Gravels. Pretty cool. If only I could ramp off this on my bike, but no. I'm probably gonna die if I do that. Not really, but you know what I mean. Time to go, you guys. Let's try fast to not die. This isn't big enough hill to die. I hope not. Your little baby would be, but, you know, I'm not a baby. Yeah, on the way down, just want to say, you guys should go check out my friend. His YouTube channel name is Loy Space Harrison. That is what his channel name is. Alright? That's good, right? No hands! No hands! Go! Going down! Going down! Going downtown! Okay, I died. My grandpa's truck. House again. House. Road. That. Stop sign. Probably gotta stop. Gonna die. You gotta slow down. Oh, nice. Yeah. Now we're at the end of our journey. Oh, God. But yeah, if you didn't hear before, you guys should go check out my friend, Loy Spacebar Harrison. I say Harrison. Sorry if that's the wrong thing. Sorry. or his YouTube name would be Gaming Champs or Champ 002. I really hope you enjoyed this video. It's a little vlog, and also my Xbox should be fixed either really late today or tomorrow. So you guys should be seeing a new video pretty soon on Minecraft or whatever. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.